Hello everyone, this is Group 4 and we are pitching our idea on hydrogen fuel cells presented by our company Future Fuels. We all know that over the time cars have evolved in the forms of EV cars, which are electronic cars, to reduce carbon footprints etc. But the batteries are very expensive and space consuming. We are presenting hydrogen fuel cells.
I am pitching about the features of hydrogen fuel cells. They are portable and easy to carry and travel with. As hydrogen is in compressed form in small fuel cells, also are cost efficient, which ranges from 20,000 to 30,000 per unit, which is much lower than electric vehicle units, which ranges from 40,000 to 50,000 per unit. High energy output, which is 50 kilowatt to 250 kilowatt, which can be used to power a house, car, trucks, etc. Can be renewed quickly rather than electrical vehicle, which needs a 1 to 2 hour charge. This is environment friendly and does not produce harmful emissions. Hydrogen fuel cells use zero greenhouse gases and is the most plentiful substance in the world. We also took a survey in which we found out that in India, electric vehicles are not feasible. Thus, hydrogen fuel cells are the new type of fuel cells which we can use.
Now, there would be a question in all of your minds that why should you buy our product instead of EV cars? The answer is simple. The batteries in EV need rare materials to make, are expensive and take up a lot of space in the car. Hence, the fixed cells we provide, as Arjun said, are portable, have a lot of energy in small cells and really cost effective.
It takes energy to produce molecular hydrogen. The sources of energy and the production method used to make molecular hydrogen determines whether it's classified as grey hydrogen, blue hydrogen or green hydrogen. Hydrogen can be made from natural gas, coal or biomass. These energy sources have associated greenhouse gas emissions. Hydrogen gas can also be made using electrolysis process to split water into oxygen and hydrogen.
This would also have a long-term advantage as it would reduce the carbon footprints immensely compared to the EV technologies, helping the environment and the ozone layer. This would also slow down the process of global warming. So this was our pitch on hydrogen fuel cells by the company Future Fuels. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, questions for team 4.
Yeah.
Yes.
So actually I had a question. So actually this is actually many of you have heard in news that like Nitin Gadkari, you all know that he recently came in a hydrogen powered vehicle. So it must be made by someone. So these vehicles already exist, or this fuel already exists.
Yeah, so the car that you're talking about.
So is the question is like how will you compete with these Adani, Tatas and Reliance who are all ready to just beat any startups that are doing this?
Okay.
So basically, you're saying that the person came in a hydrogen car, right? So if he had found a feasible, stable way of making that car, he would have already launched it in the market. He hasn't found it yet, I'm pretty sure. And we are going to release this globally. Yeah.
Okay. Fair. Okay, one question. Anyone else who has a question? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, first of all, this seems to be a typical technical oriented team. So, you've done a lot of research, it seems. So,
Yeah.
good work.
Thank you.
But at the same time, I'm sure you must also have heard of the concerns with respect to hydrogen fuel, right? The Hindenburg explosion and all that.
Mhm.
How are you going to take into concern the safety concerns?
Yeah, so basically you're saying that we are using compressed hydrogen.
Hydrogen is a very
Yeah,
flammable
right,
liquid,
right.
right?
Yeah.
So for now we don't know much of it, we are working on it. So as we say, we aren't like 100% sure of making the hydrogen cars. But like, yeah, your concern is right and we are working on it. I don't have a solution for it right now.
Okay, team, I have a question for you. Are
Yeah.
you making car or are you making hydrogen fuel cells?
Cells.
We are making hydrogen fuel
Hydrogen
cells,
fuel cells.
so which can be
Because
used
that
for
can be inserted in cars.
yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Can I ask a question? I'm not very clear.
That's fine. Anyone else who has a question? Otherwise, well done. Okay, go ahead, sir.
Is the application only for cars or something else?
No, we can use it like, so in your house you have circuits to, electricity and all. We can use it in the house for, supplying electricity to all house appliances, for trucks, anything which uses electricity.
Okay, well done. Thank you. A round of
Thank you
applause
so much.
for Please